Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. If your Sony Alpha camera is overheating, but it doesn't really seem to be that hot, maybe you're in a studio like I am, this is something that might resolve your issue. Now, I'm demonstrating with the Sony ZV-E10, but this same or similar procedure will likely work with other Sony Alpha models. So press Menu, and then navigate to Setup. See right here, the little suitcase or toolbox, whatever you want to call it. And then go down to Power Setting Option. And you can see here, Auto Power Off temperature is standard. There's a high setting. So set it to high. It gives you a warning. It says the temperature of the device may rise to prioritize recording time. Would you like to change this setting? I'm going to say okay. And then you can just press Menu to back out of that. That's how you do it. Hopefully this will help. Again, if it's really hot, sometimes things just get overheated, man. But I hope this helps you. If it did, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that bell icon. And also, if it really made you feel good, be sure to consider super thanks. You can find the thanks icon below this video. Great way to support videos like this on my channel. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.